Alright, let's see what's going on with the EQ. So some people usually ask what should go first. Is it the EQ, is it the compressor? To be honest, it really depends on the sound you're working on. Sometimes if you have a really good recording, you just need some leveling, you can just go with the compressor. But to be honest, if you have something that needs a little bit of cleaning, if you have some problematic areas in the low end or low mids, there is no point of applying compression and bringing all that nastiness up and then trying to get it out with another EQ after that. So for that purpose, I would really stick an EQ first, see what we have.
I believe I can see the future. I believe I can see the future.
Okay, let's see what's going on in the low end. See, below 100 we have that muddiness, that muffledness in the vocal that we don't really need. It's not going to be audible. It's just going to make the speakers work harder, and it's going to occupy some space that we need for our drums and our bass. So to correct this, I'll just apply a gentle high pass filter, maybe up to 70.
I believe I can see the future. I believe I can see the future. I believe I can see the future.
You can see that instantaneously lifts the vocal a little bit. It gives it a little bit more space to breathe.
I believe I can see the future. I believe I can see the future.
And now with.
I believe I can see the future.
Alright. Let's see, usually with vocals, a few problematic areas would be the low end below 100, then around 200, between 200 and 500, you have that boxiness of the vocal. It sometimes might sound a little bit muffled, like you have your hand in front of your mouth or something like this. And then around 3 kilohertz and 5, 6, you get those S's that we are really susceptible to and can be really offensive to our ears. So let's see what's going on in the low mids.
I believe I can see the future. 'Cause I repeat the same routine.
Okay, you can hear that boxiness down here, so we can just apply a gentle bell. Open up the Q a little bit so it's smoother.
I believe I can see the future. 'Cause I repeat the same routine.
Alright, so that's definitely better now. Another thing with vocals is the S's, all those sharp S's. So one of the things I'll do is try to reduce them a little bit. In this case I will use Nova, which is a lovely EQ that can be used as a dynamic EQ as well. So if we engage the threshold,
I believe I can see the future.
you can see that the S's are somewhere around
'Cause I repeat the same routine. I believe
7-8
I can
kilohertz area. So what I want here is something that will just quickly go in and go out to reduce those S's. So really fast attack, really fast release. Maybe a ratio of 3:1. That can be adjusted later on.
I believe I can see the future.
Okay, let's bring it down a little bit.
'Cause I repeat the same routine. I believe I can see the future. 'Cause I repeat the same routine. I believe I can see the future. 'Cause I repeat the same routine.
Okay, so that's better now. One thing you have to be careful with when you're EQing that area, or if you're using a de-esser, is make sure you don't go too drastic, because that's gonna make the vocal sounds like has lisp.
I believe I can see the future.
Okay, let's try it in the mix.
I believe I can see the future. 'Cause I repeat the same routine. I believe I can see the future. 'Cause I repeat the same